Still printing PDFs just to fill out forms? Let me show you how to fill any PDF form online in seconds. No printing needed at all, using nothing but your browser. Filling PDF forms manually is time-consuming and honestly pretty inconvenient when you really think about it. You print it out, fill it in by hand, then either scan it back in or drive somewhere just to drop it off. That's a lot of steps for something that should genuinely take 2 minutes. But using an online tool, you can skip almost all of that entirely. You can fill forms instantly without printing anything at all, which already saves you a trip to the printer every single time. You save time and effort on every single document you deal with, especially if you're filling out the same type of form over and over again for different purposes. You can edit text directly inside the PDF itself without it looking messy or uneven like handwriting sometimes does. You can add your signature digitally right on the page without needing a pen or a scanner anywhere nearby. And you can submit your forms quickly, straight from your browser, sometimes within minutes of opening the file. It's faster, it's easier, and it honestly looks a lot more professional than a scanned, hand-filled page with crossed-out mistakes or smudged ink. For this, we're going to use a free tool called VelaPDF. No login required, nothing to install on your device. Just open it in your browser, and you're ready to go right away.
Step by step. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can follow along with your own form. Step 1. Open the tool. Go to the VelaPDF website and select Fill PDF Form from the Tools menu. It's right there with the other tools, so it only takes a second to find, even on your first visit. Step 2. Upload your PDF. Just upload your form file from your device. You can drag and drop it or browse and select it manually from your folders. It works exactly the same on mobile and desktop, so you weren't limited to one device. Step 3. Start filling. Now simply click on any field on the form and start typing. It's genuinely that easy. Click on the name field, type your name. Click on email, type your email address. Click on the address field, type your address. The form fields are usually detected automatically, so there's very little guesswork involved on your part. Step 4. Add extra elements where needed. And it's not just plain text. You can also add check marks for checkboxes, insert your signature wherever it's required on the page, and adjust the font size and placement if something doesn't quite line up the way you expected. You get full control over how the finished form actually looks once it's done. It also means there's no risk of your handwriting being unclear or a form getting rejected just because a field was hard to read. Step 5. Save and download. Once you're done filling everything out, click Save and download your completed PDF straight to your device, ready to send wherever it needs to go. And that's it. Your form is fully filled out and ready to go, all without touching a printer or a pen at any point in the process. This is especially useful if you're someone who fills out forms regularly, like a recruiter or a student applying to multiple programs, or someone managing paperwork for a small business.
Take a look at the before and after here. Your form went from a completely blank document to a fully completed, ready-to-submit file in just a couple of minutes, start to finish. This is perfect for job applications you need to send out quickly, government forms that usually demand a lot of precise detail, college admissions paperwork with multiple sections to fill in, and business documents of all kinds that come across your desk regularly. No printing, no scanning, and no mailing. Everything stays completely digital from start to finish, which makes the whole process so much less stressful. And honestly, this saves a surprising amount of time when you're filling out the same kind of form over and over, or when you're working from your phone and don't even have access to a printer in the first place. Try it yourself, the link is in the description below. And if you found this useful, subscribe for more simple, helpful tools just like this one, because I'll be covering more of these every single week.